Forged for one, forged for all. Everyone deserves a high quality wheel. Everyone deserves a forged wheel. And by everyone, I mean car people. You'll be happy to know that Titan 7 uses premium aircraft-grade aluminum. Titan 7 uses a state-of-the-art facility for testing and quality control. A precision-navigated cutter is used to define the design of the wheel, as well as in-house surface finishing. Impact testing is done to make each wheel roadworthy. Drum endurance testing is also done to simulate the life and conditions any wheel might experience. Precise quality control is used to ensure every wheel is perfect. We have with us here some TS5s and TR10s. They come in multiple sizes and a couple different colors, so just let us know what you're looking for. The amount of detail that goes into these wheels shouldn't go unnoticed. Take a look at these close-up shots. My favorite part are the valve stems because it has the Titan 7 logo on it. Also, did you notice? Can you see the beading as well as the extra flanging around the barrel of the rim? The beading or tire knurling and extra flanges help keep your tire grip to the wheel. Alrighty guys, thanks for sticking through another video. Big shout out to Titan 7. I can't wait for my set. I think I'm gonna go with the TR10s. Actually, no wait, I'm gonna go with the TS5s. Yeah, the TS5s, for sure. Leave a comment below, I wanna know which Titan 7 wheels are your favorite. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Get in touch with us to order your new forged Titan 7 wheels. Alright guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Wait, I already said that, huh? Well, thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate your support. Thanks guys.